the first phase of voting across the country, we are here in the Udhampur constituency of Jammu and Kashmir. In first phase, Udhampur constituency out of 5 parliamentary constituencies in Jammu and Kashmir is going for polling today. We can see outside these polling booths, the voters are coming in large numbers to cast their vote. We would like to talk to some of the voters. आप अपना नाम बताइए.
नाहिदा
नाम बताइए. नाम अपना.
नाहिदा
नाहिदा आपका नाम है. आप वोट करने आई हैं.
जी.
किस मुद्दे को लेकर वोटिंग कर रही हैं? आप क्या चाहती हैं? आप वोटिंग से क्या बदलाव होगा? हमें
ये मुद्दा है कि इधर बानिहाल की डेवलपमेंट होनी चाहिए. हमें ये हक है वोट डालना, ये हमारा राइट है.
तो जो बारिश हो रही है इससे दिक्कत तो नहीं हो रही है कुछ वोटिंग में?
नहीं.
सभी परिवार के जितने भी वोटर सदस्य हैं वो सब वोट डालने के लिए आए हैं?
जी, सारे आए.
तो ये कुछ यहाँ पर some of the women here from the Udhampur parliamentary constituencies who are waiting for their turn to go inside the polling booth, which is one of the modern polling booths established here in the Banihal of Udhampur parliamentary constituency. Also the party members and agents of different political parties here in Udhampur who are helping their voters to cast the vote. Mainly it is raining across the constituency here in Udhampur since early morning, and despite all these rains, the voter turnout so far in the initial 2 hours has been recorded near about 9%, but as the day extends and as the weather improves, it is believed that probably more and more voters will come out to cast their vote. As far as the Udhampur parliamentary constituency is concerned, this is one of the main parliamentary seats in Jammu and Kashmir. Dr. Jitendra Singh from Bharatiya Janata Party won from this parliamentary constituency in 2014 and 2019. But this time it is a tough battle between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party here in Udhampur, as Chaudhry Lal Singh from Congress is contesting from this parliamentary constituency. As far as this whole constituency of Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, this is one of the largest constituencies, not only due to the count of the number of the voters, but also area wise, as it is spread from the Himalayan region of Kishtwar, Marwan Wadi, Banihal, Udhampur, and also the Katra and Riyasi. So far 16 assembly segments in this parliamentary constituency with more than 2,600 polling booths which had been established for this parliamentary constituency. As I said, due to the heavy rains going on here in the parliamentary constituency, the voter turnout is slow, but as the day will progress, the voter turnout is expected to increase. Such kind of modern and model polling booths had been established in different parts of the constituency, and all the arrangements had been made for the voters so that this turnover, which has been always good in this parliamentary constituency, could be further increased. With Rashid Rasool, Ashraf Wani for India Today in Banihal.